I'm so excited for the competition.
Maybe we should practice.
Huh?
Oh, seems like a case of the hiccups. Here.
Did that work?
Yo, gather acorns to put them away. Underground is where they gotta stay.
Squirrel, right, we're on the grind. Hide the acorns one at a time.
If you see us in a tree, we're getting acorns. Yum, yummy!
Very good!
Yeah.
For our next act, we have the Pheasant family.
Yay!
Hooray!
Hey, Bobby, are you feeling all right?
We can't sing like this. These hiccups are too much.
It's a family choir, sweetheart. Will you stay on stage with us?
Whoa! Mommy, Bobby's hiccups sound like they're part of the song you're playing.
In the forest where the leaves are green,
Hiccup.
splishing and splashing water down the stream.
Hiccup.
Pheasant family always having some fun. We're the Katuri babies, 4, 2, 3, 1.
Hiccup.
Hello,
Bobby!
how you doing?
Terry!
Nice to meet ya.
I'm Jack!
Well, hello there.
I'm Chip!
Ho, 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 we are the Pheasant family, and we're happy as can be in the forest. La, la.
Hiccup.
I'm proud to announce that the winner of the family choir competition is the Katuri family.
Here, subscribe to our channel.